Alright folks, welcome back. Cheap Pete's Garage. We're going to do a cold start will it run on the 79 Chevy C10 Bonanza. Do a little walk around over here. Looks like a storage unit for tires in the back of it. She's a big 10. Get that sun reflecting off there. Oh, gee, nothing special. She's got a 30502 barrel. It's got rust, it's got dents. But it's normally a decent runner. So, put you guys here and watch me start it. So you go run. Give her a few pumps. Pump, pump, pump. This thing hasn't been started in probably a month, maybe more. Got a glass pack on it with a big old chrome tip. See if we can open the hood. There she is. Ain't a bad running old pickup. Got some bucket seats out of God knows what in it, and then it's got a homemade center console. Sometime I would like to just take and put original bench back in it, a lot more practical. You know it's a Chevy when it's running and it smokes. That's how you know they got oil in them. When they quit smoking, you know they're out of oil. She's a decent old pickup. She's not nothing special by any means, but it is a runner and a driver though. Sounds like a rip-roaring race car. Not. Well, folks, I guess I'm kind of where I'm going to take and cut her off at. Remember, if you like videos like this, will it runs, cold starts, please subscribe, like, share it, comment. Let me know what you want to see. We can see if we can possibly make it happen. So, until the next one, thanks for watching. Bye.